Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Lopez Corporation incurred the following costs while manufacturing its product. Materials used in product 1,26,000. Advertising expense 48,300. Depreciation on plant 65,900. Property taxes on plant 23,500. Property taxes on store 8,030. Delivery expense 30,200. Labor cost of assembly line workers 1,15,200. Sales commission 37,200. Factory supplies used 32,200. Salaries paid to sales clerks 55,400. Work in process inventory was 14,400 at January 1 and for 17,400 December 31. Finished goods inventory was 64,000 January 1 and 45,900 at December 31. And the answer of the question is: compute cost of goods manufactured, materials used in product 1,26,000. Labor cost of assembly line workers 1,15,200. Factory overheads, depreciation on plant 62,900. Property taxes on plants 23,500. Factory supplies used 32,200. ADD work in process 14,400. LESS work in process 17,400. COGs MFT 3,59,800. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.